everyone! It's Ellen from the Kennebecasis Watershed Restoration Committee, and welcome back to another Watershed Walk. This week, I tagged along with our monitoring coordinator to check on our temperature loggers, which we've installed in various creeks within the watershed. We check on them regularly, especially because it has been a relatively dry season so far. We want to make sure our loggers are properly submerged. As you can see, this creek in the South Branch area is quite shallow. A logger here was poking out of the water's surface a bit, so we decided to move it just in case. A temperature logger, also called a temperature monitor, is a small sensor enclosed in a protective capsule. We have ours further protected inside a sturdy piece of PVC pipe, which allows us to secure the sensor for later retrieval and protects it from sediment and debris while allowing water flow. The sensor records temperature data over a designated period of time until we retrieve the information and analyze it back at the office. This is why it's important that the logger is submerged, so that it records water temperature rather than air temperature. It is also important that the logger is installed in an area of flowing water, called a riffle, so that the recording more accurately reflects the creek's changes. While we follow our monitoring coordinator down this narrow tributary, let me explain why we do this. Our loggers will record temperature data throughout the summer, and then we will be able to see how the water temperature has changed over the season and which creeks, if any, need some love and care. What I mean by this is that higher water temperatures can be stressful to fish species and can also cause algal blooms which deplete the oxygen supply, further endangering aquatic species. The data we collect over the summer will tell us which waterways can benefit from cooler temperatures. The KWRC can help in this regard by planting trees along the bank. The foliage will shade the stream, but the trees will also stabilize the bank, reducing the amount of sediment released into the water. Sediment absorbs the sun's warmth and would increase the water's temperature further. Normally, the KWRC must get in touch with local landowners to see if we can make these adjustments. But most people are very cooperative and willing to help make a positive change. Thank you so much to our sponsors for making the work we do here at the KWRC possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to stay up to date with our environmental endeavors. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Watershed Walk, and we hope to see you in the next one.